Hi all, glad you all back with a new video. Well, if you're new here, my name is Rupak, and in this channel I'll bring tutorials based on drawings, origami, artwork and anything both interesting and cool. So today we learn how to make an easy expression changing DIY. So we know several expressions, friends: anger, sadness, happiness, joyfulness, frustration and many more. And when we say the word expression, we'll of course require a face to express it. So to make our DIY, we will require a sheet of paper. First things, I fold an A4 sheet into half and tear them into two pieces. The first half, and preserve the second half for later because we will require it. Well friends, after seeing a few of my previous videos, I'm sure you need to know my favorite is Minions. So we'll be drawing the character Minion. Shall we add him? 3, 2. So our Minion, I have added it. And if you guessed it, it's none other than Mel. And if you notice friends, there's a small rectangle that's here. So this is the place where expressions is going to change and we'll insert a paper. That's why I have left. And if you want to know the measurements, this is of 3 centimeters into 2.5 centimeters. Okay. So now, as told earlier, I told that we are supposed to preserve a piece of paper, that is the second half of our A4 sheet. Let's take that. So friends, we are going to insert this strip of paper, we'll cut it, and that's how our expression is going to change. So we'll be measuring the length, that is the 3 centimeter part. Use that and cut a strip of paper. Okay. It's trimming time. Yes, it's here friends. Now let's take our Minions. So we need to insert it over here friends. So we'll make a slit right over here and a slit over here. That is this side length and the length of this side. Come on, let's make it. So friends, we have made the slit. It's now time for us to insert the paper. Let's flip it. Take this flap, then gently push this, like this. Now let's turn our papers and bring this out from the other slit, gently. Wow, yes. So now I could just push it. So this is how it looks on the behind side. What I'm technically doing is just pushing, while in the front our expression will change. Hey, wait a minute, why is this paper in white color? Then it's supposed to be in yellow color? I know that's in your mind friends, so I will color. And that's one thing, as I'm right now doing a Minion, I just added the strap of the goggles that Minions wear, and I just extend it a little bit in the inner part and then draw the eyes. You could draw whatever character you want friends. As I say always, it's endless. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's add the expression. Yes friends, it's now all done. Wow, at first he looks at a yummy banana. Now let's go for the other expression. And now he gets really very shocked to see his friend Dave eating the banana. He's happy again that Dave has brought yet another banana with him. He decides to go get it, but it's too late as Bob got the banana. Finally, he finds a banana that's right behind him. Wow. This could even narrate a story with this expression changing friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. And mention in the comments how this DIY was. This is Rupak signing off. Think Unlimited.